Hey guys, Ty here, General Manager at Leisureland RV Center. We're located right here on South Federal Way as always. I wanted to take a few minutes today and explain to you guys some really unique things that we have going on in the RV business right now. It's kind of an unprecedented time, but it means some great things for you guys as the consumers, as the manufacturing has started to catch up with the demand that we've had over these last several years with the pandemic and the shutdowns that we've been experiencing. So what that's done is now these 2023 models are out, they're hitting the market. We've got some on our lot right now, some great exciting stuff, but we have a huge backlog of these 2022 models that are still hanging out there. And because manufacturing has caught up with the demand, we now have incentives that we can pass on to you guys. So it's kind of created a perfect scenario for you guys where you're really not going to find a better time to buy, at least in the last several years, than right now. So we have a huge selection right now of 2022 model year-end closeout stuff that we're blowing out with huge factory incentives. So we've got travel trailers in every line, whether you're looking for an entry-level camper, you're looking for something nicer that's full fiberglass, laminated sidewall, molded front cap, something like that. Our toy haulers, we've got a big selection of toy haulers with some holdover 2022s. We've got fifth wheels, big brand names, Keystone, Forest River, you name it. So it's a really exciting time to be a consumer in the RV business, because for the first time in the last couple of years, the odds are tipped in your favor. In conjunction to our huge 2022 model year-end closeout sale and the factory incentives we've got going on, we've got other promotions that you guys can take advantage of. Lenders right now are working hard to earn your business as well. So we've got huge factory rebates that we're pairing with our finance incentives. If you finance through one of our preferred lender programs, there's several $1,000s on some of these units in addition to the factory rebates. And in addition to that, we're not skimping on any of the service that we're offering at these sales, guys. So they're going to come fully loaded with all the options that we have listed. They're going to come with a full PDI, our shop. We've got one of the best shops in Boise, in my opinion. We're going to do a full PDI inspection on all of these, full detail, full show through, you name it. We're also going to include with you guys at no charge to you on any units that are less than 2 years old for used, and anything new that you buy on our lot, including 2022 model year-end closeouts, you're going to get warranty forever at no charge. So again, manufacturer warranty is probably going to be typically 1 year, maybe 2 years on some components. We're going to include for free at no charge to you guys, warranty forever. So as long as you do your maintenance and all those kinds of things, you've got peace of mind knowing that you have us and that warranty standing behind that product, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of time talking with us today. Really unique time in the RV industry, and honestly one of the best times, at least in the last several years, for you to come in today and take advantage of some of these really good prices that we've got going on, factory rebates, and also our warranty forever. So come in today, ask for one of our RV outfitters or myself, Ty, and we'll get you guys out camping. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.